Look here, so the CD servers I've been building are these full custom arrays here with 20 drives, and to start ripping I literally just loaded up with all the music CDs, and this is the most satisfying part, is whenever you start here, of starting up all the drives by just pushing the slot in to get them going. And you can see here all the lights going. Fun things I learned. So these CD-ROMs pull about 60 watts a piece at full tilt when they're running at full speed. That's about 1800 watts of power. Hence the giant fan up here that's cooling the drive array. Just cooling the one side made all the difference to keep these guys happy. Also power. I have two 660 watt power supplies feeding the server side. That wasn't enough. I now have two additional 850 watt power supplies on top that are also feeding power to the drives. I had to find a 20 amp rated power strip to power everything, but everything's nice and happy and chugging along here. All of that is done through the computer face, but I'm going to show you the drive case here. So I pull out a disk, I pull the disk out, leave the case into the numbered slots here with letters, A, B, C, D, which correspond to the A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3 in here, so I keep track of which case is which one, and some cases are double height, hence this particular holder. And then up here is the software I'm using. This is DB PowerAmp. I'm using the free version at the moment, so it's somewhat limited here. And let me put this back so you can see it all. So I'm using a virtual machine to not virtual machine, RDP to remote into the other computer. But you can see it automatically identifies the albums and starts ripping them in. So I'm currently ripping at, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, about 400x CD combined speed, which is awesome. It works out to be about 10 seconds per disc. So come back out here, you can see all the lights going. And it's currently dumping to my server at about 1/2 gigabytes, or about 500 megabit. It's sending out. So here's a good example. When a disk finishes, it sticks itself out like that to let me know that it needs to be swapped out. So what I do is I come over here and I see it's number 3. So I open up number 3 case, I grab the disk, I put it in. Always make sure your CD is facing upright for future users. That goes into the completed pile. I then grab a new disk like so, open it up, pull the disk out, that goes into the drive here like so, and I just push it in and it'll automatically start ripping that one. And then this goes into slot 3 like so. And I can follow the progress of each CD as it's being ripped, and it'll just start ejecting them as they finish, and I just have to basically keep up with feeding this monster throughout the day to get the disc through. I've already done about 5,500 albums. I'm currently into the T's, working my way through. It's a huge music collection to get through, and these are all being converted to lossless FLAC audio to go on the server because I like my music in high quality. So there's another one just popped out to finish up. So it seems to be working pretty quick, and this thing should be pretty exciting once I get going through at full tilt here. So for you guys to get a kick out of checking this out. Oh, fun thing, the platform and back, custom server hardware, I had to run 12 gigs of RAM in each one because I needed at least a gig per drive to keep the ripping system happy, or else it just bogged down from all the drives. So there's another one just finished up. So, and another one. So it seems to work really good. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and thanks for watching.